In this episode, we're working underneath the wagon.
Is it metal? Plastic.
It is plastic.
So don't hit on her too hard.
I'm trying to figure out how much is in it. There's our muffler. She is kind of rusty under here, guys. Here's our transmission.
Oh, you know what this might be? It might be the yoke seal. Because the brake line that was leaking was this one right here.
This guy is going to be replaced at some point with a higher flow unit. But yeah, we're going to figure out what we're going to start with. So we're starting on removing the fuel tank to do the fuel pump. We already got one strap down, and we'll come back to you when it's out.
Well, that was all kinds of nastiness. It stinks.
It's out.
This is probably the only nice part of the car right here.
Yeah. We ate about 10 pounds of rust. There it is. Holy hell, that's a big tank.
Yeah, I think there's still probably about 5-6 gallons in it at least.
Old pumps out. This is all the stuff for the new one. New Bosch pump. Filter sock. Just gotta put it together. Well, we just zipped this thing back up. We got as much gas out of it as we could. We just gotta plug it in, tighten down these hoses over here, and she should be good. So Nick's taking off the rear diff cover so that we can figure out what spline our axles are, so that we can change all this out. Unfortunately, when we finished up the pump install, the return line up here started leaking because the pipes from the sending unit are rusted. So we'll have to order one of those and redo all of this.
There's a super duper looper at Wally World, so we figured it needed one too. Nah, I'm just kidding. The best part is we didn't even do that. It came like that. All right, children, here it comes. Oh God, it's sick.
So we just counted the teeth on the ring and pinion, and we came up with 273 gears. That's what's in it from the factory. What's going to go in it later on? Who knows? It'll be, you know, a mystery.
5/18s.
Yeah, something like that.
weight reduction going on here.
Whoever engineered this, I don't even know what to say.
You can't access the bolts here and here.
But now you can.
Yeah, just we just lost about 80 pounds of weight too, so
It's all right.
this thing should be NRHA, whatever certified.
We have moved on to the transmission, and we're gonna drop this pan down, change the filter. We're gonna put in a Corvette servo. I did buy a shift kit for this, but I think it's the wrong one. This is a weird like model year trans. It's like not electronic, I think. Who knows? There we go.
Oh wow, all kinds of mintiness, not even in the pan. Ready? Keep her afloat. I got it.
You got it? It's called on the cover here.
Oh, 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 oh.
There it is.
Like yesterday, we were romping this thing like ultra hard. Ultra hard.
Oh yeah, how fast would it go in first? Like 55?
55 mile an hour, we could shift from first to second.
And
At red-
second could basically go the whole way across the dashboard.
It was like 90. So yeah, like it explains because the gears are they 273.
Yeah.
But still, we were romping this thing hard, like column shifting it. It shifts at like $3,000 or maybe $4,000 if you let it like go drive. But if you manually shift it, you can wind her out to 55. But that's like disgusting. So we're gonna beat this thing into submission to make it go faster. There's your clutches right there. Greasy.
Alright, here's the deal. This won't come off at all. It is stuck. Snap ring's out. It is seized in there. It won't come out. So we're not gonna even mess with it. And this is a different valve body, so the shift kit's not gonna work, unfortunately. So we're just going to put the new snap ring back in there, put the new filter in and refill it. Fortunately, that's how it goes sometimes, but it'll be alright. So based on the box, you guessed it, we got an Excel ignition coil. It's back there, hiding. It was kind of a pain to put in. You have to cut a bunch of rivets. We also broke the map sensor vacuum hose. So we're going to doctor that up. Then add some trans fluid and then it'll be done for the day.
explain it, but it was like it took forever to get it up to like $4 grand, but I'm pretty sure it'll fucking.
All right, adjusting the timing.
Get with the beans. Ready? Yeah. Oh yeah. She's tuned up now.
I think we gave her the ketchup.
That was a little bit of ketchup.
So we added about 10 degrees of advance.
You're bleeding.
Anyways, we added about 10 degrees of advance to the base timing, and it likes it. We did a pull uphill, and it just kept going. Like, compared to before the way it ran, it's so much better. Even with the 273s, the long leg highway gears, what did we get it to? 85 on that uphill stretch?
Yeah, easily. And it was still pulling.
Going. Before it wouldn't have done that. Oh my God! Oh my God, dude, it's an animal! Oh my God, smoky as hell in here. Like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends.